Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baru akini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI ringkat ka Department of Food Safety Meghalaya bar ka Federation of Street Vendors of India ha ka jingi trailang bar ka NESL India ha po ka FOSTAC Food Safety Training and certification kala pelong ye kajingi syam jinghikai training for street food vendors menta kasni hagut wara shillong daga serve safe food ha kajingi lang ye nongdie bam hasurok kakong BL Pakenteng MCS Director of Tourism Meghalaya kalong kum ka kongsan banpli ha kajing kran jongka kala ong baki nongdie bam surok kilong ki badan benta ha ka imlang salang namar ki aikam aijing imbat ru ki aijing shakri shiki babun Kalapan pauru baga jinghikai kum gane ka ai jingtip bakerpang syapang ka jingkut jingpur ka jingpin biang bam ka basngan baga jingpinne ya ka jingshania ki patba kala kenturu ya ki nong di bam ban shimkhya ban bot rinti ya ki kendon ki bedai bar ka jingkut jingsuk nang baga jilam Meghalaya kanang pau kum ka jaka bam ka basngan bat suk mensim ya ki nong wan jingok kai perthei ki wei pat ki bledon lang bat ai jingpran kentup ya Surajit Mukherjee head branch Corporate Affairs NESL India Ltd ka Smiti DBS Mukhim Deputy Commissioner Food Safety Enforcement Meghalaya bar ka kanhun na ka Art of Living Shillong ka jinghikai ka wei na kijing prasang ban pinkop bor bat pelong kinong dibam hasuro ki banang kham tip bar kham kit kli ha ka baya dei ba ka jingkho jingsong bar ka jing pinbyang bam basngan na ka benta ka jing mentoy jong ki pat ba kinong wan jong kai perthei ha ka jilla
Specialized area in tourism, street food, ni isa pa to khring, given pauna ang bahaya yang kali kam dia mo, jawan khanang na phagai na nama ban shap dia yang kali kam dia de kadang kita jodi kat ni group de kini drain berkawan jadi dari kau jodi next camp Pisa What yang ni ruh tourism bantin scam yang cinta kau ni bantin sekian protect hak ni kau ni dalam community street vendors kiba lebih ni kiba tiap ni kom kendon bantin sutenan kiba baru kita mau mandi ni ni bang sebab ni pang lo ni kuat ni kita ni kuat kita ni relation kiba Beringat dengan di madan surau di ekor di subah nang bersyak kita
mokil berpok besar ladang ikai di bangkit kumluan bat ke bawah kumluan po yung mokil nginum nang berteri kadang kata dihap-dihapan yo ya jinghikai ladang ai ni ulang ulet ke kot sada berintho ladang macam lagi kai di bat kumluan bat ke ulet ulang nginum la setiap penring doria UABK. Baik, jangan rendah mabiru kunjung idon hangi ban airi ya kini jingkai babin penjanai ya ke jingtrei ke jompi ha ka babi idon ha ka bang kedi. As juang berbol ba ka bang kedi itu diberiu di badon bertang ka bang kedi kini diberiu di bala dapat terbang dawile. Ban syakri di para beri. Mending ke lara juang bang yo kam yo jang kini sedang mo daga di lara mending ke lara dapat terbang balada option kible tang dia benai tang sistem tang asnem ilawan shan balada dia tu bin saja saja dia don kitu kibre badi balada benta janai balada jet terbang kiai don na du bin swa kidang don nadu bangang adang tulung dang na ka pangalaman ken ma wadang labi wat mentaro kilai telmen ha bagi dang don dia lang daw kili kibre kiba lakhot ke kiba tre ke kam Dakar pilar kau dan semua bakal kam kerong kabak kentang. Mga ki officers jonga ka department jongi ngilum laban board dia yang ibar pa ay pilar. Lagi laban shoulder tang ko shlong ban pe bi ayu kile. Nrei ki abi babin semua ko ya ke kam ka pitre. Naman aga bukut udah duwe udah dublei boleh ni na job. Kaya Lada pilih aku nuru kejual kan warna u. Naga daw ni Devan Snow to ikata ni Jinstam job ke Jinstam ha ka pede but food safety. Sik bapau ha ka lian ka jingko jingsuba ha ka bang ka di ha ka shnong ka thau but ha ki yang baro. Ngila bande ikata but long papi inungsa naga benta job dari India baro koi. Long papi inungsa la kan syafat babile bani kai lem dikiwe hakiwe di state jong dari India rojo ye nilon kamtang ka jingrei ka bahok ka bandaru ka mensian ban idol ha ka jingrei jong iklem double note klem
rekam ka janai pada rekam sabria yang kini digital program ini tak hanya nasional di district ini lokalnya. I'm just telling them and communicating that I was given very short notice of this program, and because of my long-standing relationship and acquaintance and association with Communication, I couldn't say no. But that I didn't say no, and that I'm here now. I am very happy and glad that I'm here because I'm witnessing firsthand how important and vital this training is, and how important it is to spread it and put it across everywhere. And we should have this kind of training not only here in these casiers or the state headquarters, but we should take these trainings to other districts as well, because we have district headquarters are also having street vendors, street stalls. So this kind of training is very important for them. And I have had a lot of interaction and association with street vendors as well from the time that I have served in district administration. Let's say, policy office law, COVID, NOC, dan yang di kantor sini dari kami berpihak train apa municipal board, pada urban affairs dan lagi kantor sini. Di Communication related or health department role adalah health department. Yang namanya Communication role, and I was telling Communication that she should bring this kind of program to the knowledge of our principal secretary, health department, Sir Sampar, who will be very keen and he will take great interest in these kind of things which affects people at the last mile. The very people at the ground, everything that we do which affects them directly. I'm sure our leaders and our senior officers would want to know of these kind of things that are happening. So I extend my gratitude to Nestle for doing this kind of services for the people, which is very heartwarming that you're actually reaching out to Kim. As you have said, you were looking for partnership from government to be able to do this work, to reach out to your target groups. You hardly hear such things that you are reaching out. In fact, most of the time we are coming to you seeking support and to work together, but it's something else that we've been doing this for 4 years, and we've trained thousands of beneficiaries and target groups who have benefited from these programs. Again, at the cost of repeating myself, I cannot stress enough on how important the concept of cleanliness is when it comes to food at any level, from the street level to the higher industries. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Kadang kita kaji burang tu kenyang, bumbali burang ya kijing niam jom ni hati berpihak kita kata put kesubat kalau wujud, nak kaji put kesubat kita yang sama. Jadi put kesubat kita yang berpam ni yo berkian pun jimpang kijing epidemics ni imam kijing pang kita cek pemerintah ni harus kau kiban ki mai nak jila balik kuat jongi nila bankian kita ki mo ki nyem dalam kam balik kiat hal yang health sector dalam ni nila bersam yang kuat kesubat pada kam ete haga share dia di haga hal kam no balik di kam kam kumapi badi pet ya kan ya ki yang malam no bapin long berusia berkena ban taken ban one wa ai ka tin ko da su ci ba na trai ko na fi wa he ka ta nan wa an ban le si ban le jabo na ma ba fi ai ba ku me.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.